Good morning, guys. Today is Friday, 7th of May, and the time is 9:21. We have taken the positions. In the Bank Nifty account, we are sitting on a 32,200 straddle, and on the Nifty account, we are doing a slightly something different. आज हम क्या कर रहे हैं? We are taking a 500 point triangle. Usually we sit on a straddle, but today we are sitting on a 500 point triangle, and that is worth close to 95 rupees or something. Presently we are at cost to cost. एक 14,550 put है and 15,050 call है. So what will be the adjustment points? So the adjustment points will be once 14,850 level is clearly breached. See, this 14,850 level has been a good amount of resistance. So अगर 14,850 level clearly breach हो जाता है, then we'll look at shifting some of these puts closer. So right now we'll shift some of these puts closer. Once we start heading to, let's say, 14,860 levels, we'll shift all these puts closer to 14. We'll shift all these puts higher to 14,600 levels. And in the Bank Nifty account, it is just a single click entry and exit criteria. So once we start heading above 14,400 levels, 14,400 levels के ऊपर अगर निकलना चालू कर देते हैं, then we will be completely coming off from the Bank Nifty straddles, and the stop loss orders have been already kept. आज मैं थोड़ा different trade कर रहा हूँ. So usually I trade with straddles, but today it's the straddles. So let's see how it works out, and any further updates I'll keep posting. Okay, minor adjustment. Around 30% of my puts have been shifted higher to 14,600 levels. That is because these calls are trading dirt cheap, and these calls, if the short covering rally gets triggered, these calls will just expand like anything. These calls will go to like 50, 60 and 70 just in a span of a minute. So to compensate for that, I've shifted some of my puts to 14,600 levels, and once the high gets taken out, once we head above 14,860 or 865, I'm going to shift the rest of the puts to 14,600 levels. Currently up by 1 point. As long as these calls don't see some sort of an unwinding, I think we should be good. But if at any point of time, once this unwinding starts, once this short covering rally starts, these calls will spike up a big time. मतलब काफी ज्यादा बढ़ जाता है, even more than we could actually manage. तो manage करना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. So we'll see what to be done. And on the Bank Nifty account, we are exactly centered, and 20 points we are in. We are up by 20 points. We are looking to collect at least 10 to 15 points of DK today. So the weekend DK should be incorporated, and 10 से 15 point आज DK collect करेंगे. Reliance today it's looking a bit strong. After gap up, it's continuously making higher highs. HDFC after gap up, it's kind of sideways, and Nifty IT it's continuing the bullish momentum because it took the support at yesterday's close and now it's heading higher. Wide range candles are being formed, and Bank Nifty as usual it's forming some sort of a pole and flag pattern. जो एक पोल एंड फ्लैग जो पैटर्न ये बना रहा है, सो दिस इज सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अ पोल एंड फ्लैग. इसको इंटरप्रेट कैसे करना है? यहां से इंटरप्रेट करने से आपको कुछ मिलेगा नहीं. सो यहां से इंटरप्रेट करना है बिकॉज दिस इज वन कंटिन्यूड प्राइस पैटर्न, राइट? सो अगर ऐसे इस रेंज में अगर रहता है, देन यस देयर इज अ गुड स्कोप ऑफ अपसाइड एटलीस्ट अप टिल 33,500 लेवल्स टुडे. सो Nifty kind of broke out. Look at this. As I said, these calls suddenly expanded to 50, and these puts are not at all deflating, and we are down by around 1 point. The time is 10:15, and Nifty has been pretty much sideways. So we have the day's low for Nifty to be breached, and we have a 20 moving average support because we are in an uptrend since yesterday. मतलब short term uptrend में है, and 20 moving average is somewhere around 14,800 levels. So as long as 14,800 levels are intact, this position will be good to hold. तो अभी फिलहाल कैसा है? We are 200 points away from the call and 250 points away from the puts. So थोड़ा बहुत मतलब puts दूर में है compared to the calls, but even then the puts have good amount of value in them because of the obvious downward side fear. तो काफी ज्यादा लोग puts के लिए काफी डिमांड है. So once we start heading higher, yes, these calls will start appreciating, but these puts will also probably should compensate for the expansion in these calls. So we are currently up by just 1 point for the day, and on the Bank Nifty account, we are up by almost 30 points. So Bank Nifty remains, the Bank Nifty ka hypothesis remains the same. So as long as 30,000 is clearly not breached, we are going to hold the positions, and as long as the 33,400 is not breached, we are going to hold the positions. and suddenly the markets are kind of dropping down, and which have kind of expanded the puts. At the same time, these calls are deflating as well, because these calls, as long as the markets, these puts don't head up to, let's say, more than 650 or 670, I don't think there is any need to be worried about. And currently the markets, yeah, like everything is falling in unison. The HDFC, which looked pretty strong half an hour ago, now is making wide range red candles, and at the same time, Bank Nifty is almost testing the day's open, which is the day's low, and the 20 moving average is also there for Bank Nifty support. तो इस 20 moving average पे Bank Nifty कैसे react करता है, उसके ऊपर हमारा ये जो इसका position का जो management है decide होगी. So now that these calls are crashed by quite a bit, so we'll be immensely benefiting even if the market heads higher, because these calls won't spike up that hard. Because अभी क्या हो गया, अभी now that the day's high would have definitely become some sort of a resistance now, तो इसको buyers को इसको breach करके ऊपर लेके जाने के लिए it will take some energy and it will take some effort from the buyers. So the option premiums will also note that, and it will be behaving in line with that. So having said that, so unless 14,800 is clearly taken out, we won't be doing any adjustment. Suppose if the market starts to cascade really fast, we'll be just canceling these orders and we'll be coming out with a single exit. तो अभी कैसा चल रहा है? The puts are definitely priced higher. So अगर नीचे आता भी है, these puts won't expand that much. That is because already इसमें वो जो नीचे का मूवमेंट का जो रिस्क है, it has already been factored in. So the people who have shorted these puts at, let's say, 65, 62, 61, so these people will hold until 70 is reached. These puts become 70, 72. Until that time, these people won't, try to unwind their positions. But अगर मार्केट एक शॉर्ट कवरिंग रैली आ जाती है, बिकॉज these calls, अगर शॉर्ट कवरिंग रैली आ जाती है, these calls have been shorted by the option sellers at dirt cheap prices, 42, 43, 40 रुपीज पे सब ऑप्शन सब शॉर्ट किए हुए हैं. So they can't take the pain once these options start to expand above 55 or 56. That's when there will be a short covering rally, and that will trigger these option prices to shoot up even higher, and that will, that will act as some sort of a massive short covering rally, and these calls will expand by quite a bit. But just because like there is a good amount of news flow, and as a market's natural thing, the puts will definitely have a higher value compared to the calls. So these puts won't deflate as much as these calls are going to expand because of the short covering of the call writers. All right, the time is 10:50, and we have been seeing a dip across all the segments. Is it because of some news flow, or is it just some sort of a profit booking? I don't know. And Nifty is also kind of dipping. Nifty is dipping down, and Bank Nifty, just because Bank Nifty has a good amount of support at 32,900 levels, यहाँ पे जो मैंने mark किया है, so it took good amount of resistance yesterday, and today it gapped up. So ideally, this should act as a point where the longs will get another opportunity to enter the rally. So इस point पे जो है, इस point पे market ideally should halt and then take higher, because of which even though we were sitting at almost 3.5k profits, which is almost 40-45 points of profits, I haven't taken this position out only because I feel that 32,900 should act as a good amount of support. तो अगर 32,900 ब्रीच कर देता है, then yes, I will. अगर 32,900 ब्रीच कर देता है, then yes, I'm gonna cancel all the stop loss orders and I'm gonna come out of the entire position at market. We are up by around 4 points. That is because the call का जो IBs था, तो the IBs have cooled off immensely, and that has benefited our position. But just because these 14,600 puts were expanding quite a bit, I had to roll down those puts to 14,550, and to balance the fact that these calls are already pricing in, like these calls are already dirt cheap, 37 rupees per hai, and the puts are almost 50 to 53 rupees. So even if it expands by, let's say, 6 or 7 points, these calls are not going to decay by 6 or 7 points. To manage that, I have transferred like 40% of the quantities to 15,000 call, which is trading at around 52 bucks. So as of now, we are 200 points and 250 points away from the call, and we are almost 250 points away from the put in one order. So currently we are up by around 3.5 to 4 points. Sometimes we are even up by 5 points, but just because the markets are, let the volatility cool down and let the option prices settle, and we might realize even a higher amount of MTM. And Bank Nifty पे yes, though we are trading slightly higher, but there has been a good amount of selling pressure क्योंकि इस पॉइंट पे एक अच्छा इंपल्सिव बाइंग आना चाहिए था which should have propelled us above 32 3350 or something, but just because we are still trading below 33,000, so I'll be very cautious to exit the position at market once 32,900 level gets completely taken out. Alright guys, the time is 1 o'clock. Exactly 1 hour before we completely pulled out of our positions. That is because Bank Nifty was forming this candle. ये जो कैंडल बना रहा था, ठीक है, कैंडल के एंड में ये जो रिजेक्शन हमको दिखाया, बट व्हेन दैट कैंडल वाज फॉर्मिंग इट वाज अ क्लियर कट ब्रेकडाउन. इस लेवल के जो नीचे ब्रेकडाउन था, एंड इवन दिस लेवल wasn't holding on, and because of which we had to cut out our position. So Bank Nifty में we came out cost to cost हमने close करना पड़ा, and on the Nifty account also I closed because of two reasons. The first thing is I was outside, ठीक है, I had taken my mom out, and फोन पे ट्रेडिंग इतना आसान होता नहीं है, and because of which I had to cut out of my position. Second reason क्या है, the premiums which you are seeing here, जो ऑप्शन के जो प्रीमियम्स है, दे आर pretty much on the lower end. तो थोड़ा प्रीमियम्स आज कम है. तो इफ वी कीप एडजस्टिंग फॉर द डेल्टा मूव्स, अगर मार्केट नीचे आ जाता है तो एडजस्ट करना, ऊपर आता है तो एडजस्ट करना, इफ यू कीप डूइंग दैट देयर इज नो मच इंसेंटिव फॉर अस टू डू दैट, क्योंकि जो स्लिपेज में एंड एग्जीक्यूशन फ्लॉज में जो पॉइंट्स निकल जाता है, द डीके वोंट बी दैट ग्रेट टू कॉम्पेंसेट फॉर दैट. एंड अनदर थिंग इज yesterday we had some sort of a silent expiry towards the end. So अभी मैं क्या एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूं, I am expecting some sort of a wild move post 130. So the risk reward was clearly not in the favor, and also I was not in the state to do the adjustments using my phone. Because of all these reasons, I've completely pulled out of my position. The margin used was somewhere around 15 lakhs, so we made close to 1%, and यहाँ पे तो cost to cost almost 2-3 सेशन से मतलब बैंक निफ्टी में कुछ पैसे बन नहीं रहा है because of the moves that Bank Nifty is making, and that's okay. And I think this is the end of my trading day. I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Mast chill maro, and we'll see what the market does on Monday. We'll come back on Monday and we'll take it from there. Thank you.